Okay, so today we're gonna have buffalo chicken dip for lunch. That's not something I would normally make for lunch, but I saw it somewhere recently and I've just been craving it ever since. So I'm gonna make it. I've never actually made this recipe. I've always had it like at potlucks and stuff, but it is so good. So I just decided to make it for lunch. We're having kind of a late lunch today, so it's kind of a snack thing. So I looked up some recipes on Pinterest and they're all kind of different. So the one that I found calls for mozzarella cheese, ranch dressing, Frank's, red hot sauce. You can either do the red hot sauce or the buffalo wings sauce, either one, cream cheese and chicken. But when I bought this red hot sauce, I noticed that on the back it actually has a recipe. You can see this. It's cream cheese, which I have, ranch dressing, which I have, the buffalo sauce. This one calls for half a cup of crumbled blue cheese, but I'm going to use the mozzarella since that's what I have, and 1 cup of chicken. So as far as the chicken goes, you can use the chicken in the can to make this a lot easier, but I'm extremely picky about meat. I don't know about the chicken in the can, so I just bought a rotisserie chicken out of the deli at the grocery store and took the white meat off of it. So that's what I'm going to be using. And then I'm just going to mix it all up in this bowl. This is the biggest bowl I could find. It's a salad bowl, but whatever. We're going to mix this all up and stick it in the oven. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. And this has been sitting out for a while, so it's kind of softened. Half a cup of ranch dressing, half a cup of Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce, The recipe calls for half a cup of cheese, blue cheese. I have mozzarella because that's what the recipe that I found initially called for. And I'm probably going to do a little more than half a cup because you can never have too much cheese, in my opinion. That looks good. And then we're going to do this amount of chicken. I think it calls for 2 or 2.5 cups, but I just got the white meat off the rotisserie. This is plenty of chicken for me. Okay, so then you're just gonna mix all of this up really well. Just make sure that you get that cream cheese mixed in there. Kind of hard because I'm using one hand. Okay, I had to get 2 hands into it, so I had to put the camera down to get this stirred up. But this is what it looks like. Looks kind of gross, but it smells really, really good. I could probably eat it just like this, but you want your cheeses to all melt together. So I'm gonna put this in this baking dish, and then we're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes. I already have this preheated on 350. Stick that in there and let it cook for 20 minutes. Okay, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And I like to eat these with scoops or, you know, these little chips. Or you can use Fritos, that's also good. This is super duper hot, but here it is. So good.